Hello students, today we are going to learn about the pronouns. So first of all, let's know about that what is a pronoun. Okay, we have already learned that is about the noun and its kind. Now next one come, that is the pronoun. So what's a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in the sentence. Okay, means the word that can be used at a place of a noun, that is called as a pronoun. As you can just see the example here, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Okay, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. So what is a noun here? Mr. Mohanlal. Okay, again it is written Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Again Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. As you can see that for writing these three sentences, isn't this Mr. Mohanlal we are using again and again. 3 times this has been used. So what is the use of a pronoun? That is, it avoid the repetition of the noun in the sentence. Okay. Now just see here. Once we have written Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver, then the second time he drives children to school every day. As the previous example we have seen here that at this place Mr. Mohanlal we have used, isn't? And now what we have used here at the place of Mr. Mohanlal, that is he. Again here he. So what is this he? He is the pronoun. So what is a pronoun? The word which are used in place of noun. Okay, so here what is the word? Which word we are using at the place of a noun? Mr. Mohanlal. At the place of Mr. Mohanlal we are using the pronoun, that is the he. Okay, so he is the pronoun. So what is the work of pronoun? That it avoid the repetition of the noun again and again in the sentence. Now just have a look here. The words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of a sentence. So what are they? I, you, he, she, it, we. These are the pronouns. As you can see here, noun, okay, singular pronoun. These are the singular pronouns I, he, she, it, and the plural one, that is we and they. Means at the place of a plural nouns we use these pronouns. Okay, we, they, and at the place of a singular nouns we use this one I, he, she, it. As you can see in the example here, the village is far away. It has many rivers. They are clean. Isn't? The village is far away. It. So at the place of the village, here we are using it. It is the pronoun here. It has many rivers. They are clean. Here it we have used at the place of a village, isn't? And this is the singular one. For the singular noun, we use the singular pronoun, that is it, and for the plurals we use they. We have used here plural pronoun, that is they. Now this is a very important point, that you is used for both singulars and the plural noun. Okay. Now as you can see the example also what I told just now, the pronoun you is used for both singular and the plural nouns. It is an important game you must play as a team. It is an important game you must play as a team. As you can see here that here you has been used for the plural number of person, isn't? Here you has been used for the players. Means here not a single player is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 players are there, isn't? So here if anyone is saying, then also the 3 members are there. So here you we have used here for the plural number. Okay. Now just see this example. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? Do you have a pet? Here you has been used for the singular noun, isn't? As a singular. Here you has been used as a singular. So what does it mean? That you is used for both singular and the plural nouns. Now take these words, the words me, him, her, it, us, you and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. These are also the pronouns. Okay. Just you can take the example here. He is my father. I adore him. Okay. So him here has been used for his father. Now you can see here singular. Me, him, her, it. These are used as a singular ones. Okay, means for the singular nouns we use these pronouns. For the singular nouns we use these pronouns. Okay, but as a telling part. For the plural nouns we use these pronouns, but as a telling part. You can take this example here. Nikki has pet. It is a dog. As in here it has been used as a telling part. Is it? Here in this example also you can see they are my grandparents. I help them. Here also them has been used as a telling part. And this thing already I told you that you is used for both singular and the plural nouns in any part of a sentence. You is used for both singular and plural nouns. You can see the example here. You are my parents. I am proud of you. Isn't? Here you has been used for the parents. Okay. Means parents means here you has been used first you. This is used for the plural noun. Okay. At the place of a plural noun we have used this you. I am proud of you. And here also isn't? So as you can see that in your grammar textbook, your third chapter, that is the pronoun. Okay. So what's pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. Here some example is also there. Seema bought a beautiful purse but she lost it in the bus. So what's the pronoun here? She, it. We are going on vacation. What's the pronoun here? We, isn't? And here also pronouns include, these are also the pronouns. I, we, me, you, he, she, her, all these are. And here are the some kinds of pronoun. This I'll explain you in the next video. Okay. So thank you and have a good day.